The rook!
He sacrifices the rook. Grandmaster brilliant. You see, in this situation, our opponent plays rook takes knight. A sacrifice, but not quite. If knight takes rook here, notice the queen and rook line up perfectly to take out the king on f7. In other words, you cannot take the rook. At least not yet. First, queen to e3. The only move you can play here is rook to f2. Except in this situation, we have the brilliant move. Rook takes bishop. The king is forced to take back. Rook cannot take back here. And if the king moves over, it's just checkmate. And you still cannot take the rook here because the rook and queen still line up on f7. But you can play a diversion tactic. Rook h2, forcing the king to taking back with the knight, and winning the rook anyway. In this situation, black is completely winning. But what about the queen? The queen still eyes down the rook here. Well, yes, you can take with the queen here, but now there's no threat on f7, so knight takes. The rook is still pinned, and there's a double attack.